Okay, so you heard her. Today we are going to do whatever I say. Mwahaha! Now, your first command is to give me back my turtle. You had it for about like 1 day. So yeah, give me back my turtle. That's my first command. Yeah, technically, but like technically it's like mine in the first place, so yeah, it belongs to me. Mwahaha! Offer? No, I get to say what you have to do to me. So yes, I have to get this for free. That is my thing. Yes, I will finally get back my turtle. Yes, you will never get it back to me ever again. I have it. I have the piece of resistance. Alright, now your next command is to pet Marshy. Marshy wants a pet from you. No! Marshy! Wait, you're not my family, so wait, no, you are. Can you even steal him? You're not even picking him up. No, Marshy! No. Marshy, come back here. Mega Marshy, I'm catching up to you. No. That was the wrong thing. Gotta get her. Yeah. Get Mega Marshy. I need to get him. No. Mega Marshy. Cut. No, wrong one. Now I have your butterfly. And Mega Marshy now. You. Okay. Next command is to give me your Mega Marshy. Yes. Here is my revenge this time. You have to give me one of your best pets instead of Mega Marshy because I know how you love Mega Marshy too. No, not anything crazy, please. Oh, okay, fine. What should be next? Okay, let's go. What? Okay. Oh my god. Whoa. I have your full-grown unicorn now. Revenge is sweet. Ha! I have your unicorn! Yes! Yes! I have your unicorn! Ha! Look at me, I'm flying in your unicorn. Now, your next challenge... Now your next challenge is to come with me with Starburst that you gave me. So kind of you. Now let's go to now now let's play hide and seek. And if I find you, and I get 3 hints, okay? And if I find you, you have to give up Mega Marshy. And if I win, I have to give you something. Anything. I can give you anything. You, okay. So is the challenge okay? Do you want to do the challenge? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sure, 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna set a timer for 2 minutes because this map is pretty big, but I mean the town's pretty big. So 2 minutes starts now. I wonder if I'll find her. Remember, I get 3 hints. Okay, 3. And you cannot go in any of the buildings because that will just make it harder. You can go under the bridge though. That counts. You can go under the bridge if you like. That's a hiding spot that I will allow. But like inside the coffee shop or like inside the pizza, no. Alright, so you're ready? Alright, pause. Give me your first hint. What's your first hint? I am near the portal. Okay. Give me your second hint. $2 minutes to find you. Okay. Sorry now. Alright, so what's your second hint? I get 3 hints. Okay, second hint. I am somewhere where I can see the playground. Ooh. Oh, this tree would have been a good hiding spot. Alright, so you're somewhere where you can see the playground. You must be somewhere here, like... Like, it's very confusing. So you can see the playground from here. Now you can definitely see it from up here. Oh no, 2 minutes is almost up. Oh god, I really don't want to give her anything. Alright, and my last hint. No, I didn't say my, okay. So you're not in the sky, so you must be on the ground somewhere. Oh no, I can't find her. I have 26 seconds. I have 26 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't find her. No. Oh god, I'm running out of time. I can't find her. No. I have 7 seconds. No. Yep. Timer's up. Where are you? I'm gonna TP. Wait, can you tell me where you are? Show yourself. You were swimming? Oh, now I have to give you a pet. Or like anything at all. Alright, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. Will I though? Will I give you your unicorn? I did say I would give you anything, right? I'm just kidding. I'm giving you back your unicorn. Your thing was pretty good. Haha, scan. I'm just kidding. Alright, that's good. Okay. Now your last challenge is to just sit on the boat. That's it. Wait, no. Your challenge is to take a ride on the hot air balloon. That's your challenge. You have to take a ride on the hot air balloon. Woo! Now this will be fun. Easy. Yes, that's pretty easy. Unless I tell you to buy all the potions inside the castle. I'm just kidding. You don't have to. We're just taking a ride up to the sky. But like, just imagine I told you to buy all the potions inside the castle. Some of them are really, really kind of expensive. But like, just imagine you have Robux, but then like, you have to buy every single potion, correct? So you have to buy the fly potion and the ride potion too. Only have 45? Oof. Oh, oof. That's a big oof. Alright, well I guess I wasn't doing it anyway, but just like imagine I ordered you to actually buy Robux and then buy the right potions. Alright, so it's taking off right now. Let's go. Flight sponsored by Panda Queen 246890. My dad would ban me from my iPad. Alright, now your last command is to jump. Just like jump off. Jump. Okay, I'm jumping. Whee! Ow, I didn't even land in. Okay, now I did. Buy 60 big hit potions. Oh wow. Okay, so teleport to me. Teleport to me. And this is your last and very last command. Your very, very, very last command. So after you're done, teleport to me. Okay, oh, ow. Ow. Okay, now your very last command is to say bye to the viewers and friends. So yeah, that's your last command. Just say bye, friends, or just say bye. Wait, what? Take out a pet. Okay, fine. One command that I have to do from you. Make a wishy. Alright, now that's it for this video. Time is running out. Bye and subscribe. Make a